Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mission Not So Impossible. This week I'm bringing you some Dollar General deals for Saturday, October 25th. Now you can do these deals any day of the week. You're just going to save the most money on Saturday with the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon. And feel free to mix and match and build a deal that works best for you. So let's go ahead and get into the deals. First, you want to pick up one of the large Purex for $10. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $8. Next, you want to pick up one of the Persil laundry soaps. You can do the liquid or the pods. They are $5.50. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $3.50. Next, you want to pick up two of the Snuggle fabric softeners. Two of them would be $7.90. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $4.90. So we have a store coupon this week for when you spend $15 on select laundry care items. You're going to save $3. The Persil, the Snuggle, and the Purex all qualify. There's also a few other items, so you can definitely check that out. But with these items, we are over $15, so that $3 will come off. I'm going to go ahead and build up my transaction a little bit more so that I can use it on Saturday with the 5 off of 25 store coupon as well. Next, I'm going to pick up one of the soft soap hand soap refills for $6. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $4. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $29.40 plus tax. So then we have that $3 coming off for the laundry soap, making our total $26.40. So we still qualify for the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon. Then we have $9 in manufactured coupons coming off, making our total $12.40 plus tax for all 5 items. So for this next deal, you want to pick up two of the Degree deodorants for $4 each. Two of them would be $8. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $5. Next, you want to pick up one of the Lubriderm lotions for $8. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $5. Next, you want to pick up one of the Scope mouthwash for $5. We have a $1.50 coupon, making it $3.50. Next, you want to pick up one of the Colgate toothpastes for $4. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $2. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $25 plus tax. So then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $9.50 in manufactured coupons, making our total $10.50 plus tax for all 5 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up one of the Dove women's deodorants for $6.85. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $4.85. Next, you want to pick up two of the Dove shampoo. They are $5 each. Two of them would be $10. We have a $4 off coupon, making it $6. Then you want to pick up one of the Poise pads for $7. We have a $2.50 coupon, making it $4.50. Last, you want to pick up one of the Crest toothpastes for $3. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $2. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $26.85 plus tax. So then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $9.50 in manufacturer coupons, making our total $12.35 plus tax for all 5 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Huggies Snug and Dry diapers. They're on sale this week for $8 each, so 2 of them would be $16. We have a $5 off coupon, making it $11. Next, you want to pick up 2 of the Axe deodorants. They are $5.75 each, so 2 of them would be $11.50. We have a $5 off coupon, making it $6.50. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $27.50 plus tax. So then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $10 in manufactured coupons, making our total $12.50 plus tax for all 4 items. So for this next deal, we have a sale this week on select soda when you buy 3 6-packs of bottled soda. So Dr. Pepper, A&W, 7-Up, Canada Dry, there's several others that qualify. Picking up 3 of those, it's going to be $10. Next, you want to pick up 2 of the Tombstones frozen pizzas. They're on sale when you buy 2. It's going to be $10. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $7. Next, you want to pick up 2 of the Pillsbury items. You can either pick up the crescent rolls, the cinnamon rolls, or the biscuits. They're on sale this week, 2 for $5. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $4. So your total for all these items before coupons is $25 plus tax. So then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $4 in manufactured coupons, making our total $16 plus tax for all 7 items. So for this next deal, we're going to be picking up some Halloween candy. I feel like candy is so expensive this year, so anytime you can find a little bit of savings, I'm going to try and make it happen. So this week, Dollar General has given us a store coupon for when you spend $20, you're going to save $5 on select candy. So I'm going to go ahead and build up my transaction a little bit so we can do that on Saturday with the 5 off of 25 as well. So for this deal, I'm going to be picking up 4 bags of the Hershey's candy. In the Halloween section, they are marked 2 for $10, so you're saving a little bit of money there. So grabbing 4 of those bags, we're at $20, and then we have that $5 store coupon coming off, making it $15 for all 4 bags. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up 2 of the Tombstone pizzas. They're on sale, 2 for $10. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $7. So my total for all these items before coupons is $30 plus tax. So So then we have that $5 coming off for the candy, making our total $25. So we still qualify for that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon. And then we have $3 in manufacturer coupons coming off, making our total $17 plus tax for all 6 items. And that makes it less than $3 per item. So for this next deal, you want to pick up 4 of the Gain laundry care items that are normally priced at $4.50. We have a store coupon this week, so when you clip that, you can pick up 4 of those items, and then that coupon's going to make them 4 for $12. So for this deal, you want to pick up 3 of the Energizer batteries. You can pick up the double A's or the triple A's. They are $5.50 each, so 3 of them would be $16.50. We have a $3 off manufacturer coupon, a $1 off manufacturer coupon, and a 50-cent manufacturer coupon. There's also a $3 instant savings that will also apply, so that's going to make these 3 for $9. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $28.50 plus tax. And then we have that $3 in instant savings coming off for the batteries, making our total $25.50. So we still qualify for that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon. And then we have $4.50 in manufacturer coupons coming off, making our total $16 plus tax for all 7 items. So for this deal, we're going to be picking up 4 of the Gain laundry soap items that are normally priced at $4.50. When you clip that coupon, it's going to make them 4 for $12. Next, you want to pick up 1 of the Arm & Hammer laundry soaps for $5. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $3. Next, you want to pick up 1 of the Febreze car clips for $3.60. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $1.60. Next, you want to pick up 1 of the Energizer batteries. They are normally $5.50. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $2.50. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $26.10 plus tax. So then we have that $5 coming off for the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon, and we have $7 in manufactured coupons, making our total $14.10 plus tax for all 7 items. All right, so that's all that I have for you this week. Hopefully you can kind of take a look at these deals, mix and match, and build a deal that works best for you. Some of the deals I really thought were great this week are on the Huggies diapers. That's a pretty good price. The Gain laundry soap is pretty good. And then even the Hershey's candy is not a bad deal. If you need candy for trick-or-treaters or just for yourself, I feel like candy is so expensive and the bags are so small this year. Just make sure you're scanning all of the items with your app to make sure that they're attaching to the correct items that you're picking up so you can avoid any surprises at the register. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos I have coming out in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!